Well, I heard about the fella you've been dancing with all over the neighborhood. So why didn't you ask your neighbor? What didn't you think I could? Oh, let's go to your top. Take a little thing tonight. Never do anything like a big friend. I'm all do it right. Do it right. I don't know what to say, that's why you were judged.
What can I say about that costume? Very bright, very colourful, and we like the costume. You can hold your numbers up, guys. You have to wear these together. Hold them up. Hold your number up, please. Hold it up. Hang on.
Ridiculous!
Out them together!
35! I thought the entertainers were, and I admire their guts, because when something is done in front of everybody, a bit monotonous, therefore A.
I think I'm being threatened here, but I think it was extremely entertaining. Very difficult to dance with such an addition, as it were, to the body armour. But I think it was entertaining, good tune, and deserved an 8.
Yeah, probably the two biggest birds that Parliament's going to produce. The big yellow bird worried me because I wasn't quite sure that it was going to lay an egg. The black and white bird I thought was going to take flight at one point. And the one thing they certainly weren't doing was nesting. The synchronization wasn't named for that particular issue. The keep quiet, yellow bird.